Hey, check out this amazing one-of-a-kind custom countertop that Stellar Surfaces recently completed. We were handed a granite countertop, very standard granite countertop that is very popular, but the customer wanted to do something so special, and we sat down and talked, and we came up with a really unique idea to reinvent their whole kitchen concept. Go check out the other video that shows the floor of this same project being done. This countertop actually was granite, and we applied a specialized bonding agent, and then we put a black solid color epoxy down, and we embedded in luminous sand, which means that it's going to glow at night like a galaxy. Then we put a very light contingent of epoxy compliant glitter, and we continued on to put clear CRU chemical resistant overlays over the top of that as like a protective coating. Once the mirror splashback was installed, you can see it as a very stunning, one-of-a-kind custom countertop kitchen that has a very impressive presentation. So if you're thinking of doing something a little bit different that's way off the wall, call us today and we can design a custom finish countertop for you that's going to cause everyone that walks in the room to be amazed and wowed at your phenomenal kitchen space. Thanks for watching and have a great day.